Hi, we're here to discuss a buzzword that has been, the talk of the town here, especially at Judex. And businesses seem to be considering different options these days when it comes to optimizing their business, their return on investment, and SaaS is a catchword. So let's start with a few basics on what is the relevance of SaaS as a business model in the developing regions such as the Middle East.
Well, SaaS is changing the delivery as well as the pricing model for business applications. We're moving to a remote delivery where an outsourced provider is maintaining the information systems. We're providing that service on a subscription model or a rental model so that it's a pay for performance or a pay for consumption. The relevance in the Middle East is that this is a region offload the IT administration and burden to a provider for an economical fee. There's a significant upside for them.
How is Applicor different from other SaaS vendors in the market?
Well, Applicor actually is in many ways very, very similar, but there are certain specific areas that are important for this region's consumers, especially in mid-size and small and medium segment of the population. The companies are actually looking for a very simple pricing structure. So they don't want to have too many complicated pricing SKUs and complicated ways of actually procuring that. So this is one thing. Second thing is that the solution is very, very simple to use and has a built-in two components. So most of when you look at within our region, most of the SMEs are starting to automate themselves. So they're looking for basic ERP solution, accounting solution, financial solution. And then some of the companies which are coming out of this recession want to get closer to the customer.
Right.
And because of that reason, they actually want to have some sort of a CRM or customer relationship management so they don't lose the deals and they actually go after that business. So combining those two, Applicor actually has a fantastic opportunity because we have one single product which actually are not two separate products that creates confusion and complication. So we actually offer that. So pricing, one single product, and the ease of use. Actually, as a matter of fact, anywhere in the world, customers or consumers are demanding for easier and easier application interface as they use that at home. Like, I don't know, Google or Facebook and things of that nature. Applicor has done a fantastic job in developing an application which provides a very, very easy and exciting and inviting user interface, and it's very fast. And based on that, those three things, and plus that we're here, we're committed to this region. Obviously, we're from this region. And we would like to sort of make more relevance as possible.
Well, there is a need in the market to educate end users, the businesses, about the need for such applications and evolving their business model. How does LiveRoot help in whether it's partner education or end user education?
Sure. First of all, there is a lot of confusion around cloud. And there's a lot of confusion around what is software as a service, how does it relate to me? And IT industry is the biggest contributor to that confusion. I mean, I think we should admit that. Now, the issue is we need to simplify it. Simplification of this concept is very important if we were to actually help the customer. Now, what we're saying is, just like you use DEVA here locally to get electricity and water, similarly, software and software business solutions can be looked upon that as a utility, as a subscription model. For example, you don't actually go build your generator and dig a hole in your backyard to get water. You actually go to DEVA and make a connection.
Right.
And based on that, you leverage DEVA's infrastructure to provide you that service. Similarly, software as a service, the concept that we're offering in this region, we have invested millions of dollars in infrastructure in US and UK. We have a great facility in software. We want customers to take advantage of that, especially SME. SME, as Chuck said, they cannot afford to have an army of people and lots of capex, especially nowadays, for capital expenditure. So what we want to do is we want to actually offer that solution which works for them, and it's cost effective, it's easy to use, and it's exciting to use and to resolve their business issues. So for that, we're actually doing a lot of training, a lot of awareness, and to first of all clear the concept of what SaaS is, what cloud is, and second thing, how can they actually opt for that service?
How do you differentiate between, there are a lot of these terms that are thrown around, and a lot of decision makers in SMEs are not necessarily very ID savvy. I mean, the decisions are made more by the owner or the CFO. So how do you differentiate terms such as cloud services and SaaS for them?
SaaS, software as a service, is really a component of cloud computing. You can think of cloud computing in, I think, most commonly 4 different layers. At the bottom, there's infrastructure as a service, where organizations can tie in to buy computing time and storage. You can go up a layer to what is often called platform as a service, or PaaS, where organizations can rent into software development environments or SharePoint environments. Up one more layer is our layer, which we call software as a service, which is really where we're providing enterprise-wide software systems, a complete package to users based on a subscription. And then maybe at the top we see managed services. So the cloud is broader than SaaS. SaaS is a very integral element of the cloud and probably the most pervasive element of cloud computing today.
That makes it much clearer. How does Applicor address security issues for regional end users?
Information security is generally an initial concern for business or IT buyers that are looking at software SaaS applications. Our advice is to recommend to these evaluators, these IT buyers, that they look for 3 things with information security. They look to their vendor to provide a comprehensive security plan, very veteran security people, and proof in place that the security works as advertised. At Applicor, we've built a comprehensive information security plan and posture over a 10-year period. We have a veteran team of information security specialists who are quite specialized in what they do, managing our infrastructure 24/7. And as far as the proof, we are independently audited by the 2 most recognized global organizations in the world, one being ISO, and for the last 5 years we have received the ISO 27001 certification, and the other being NIST, the National Institute of Science and Technology, and for the last 5 years we have received the NIST C&A, which stands for the Certification and Accreditation. So we have independently verified, or we've had outside people come in, go through our operational deliverability, go through our information security posture, and come away that we are doing things as we say we're doing them. Historically, we've never had an information security compromise, and seemingly that we're doing the right things and being independently audited, we feel somewhat confident that that'll continue.
And how are you localizing your services in this region, tailor-making them for Middle Eastern
Our application was designed from day one to be a global application, and today we have customers using it in over 160 countries. It is available in 16 languages, including Arabic, but more so for delivery, we look to local expert business partners. And here in Dubai in the GCC, LiveRoot, and Jawad as managing director, is our go-to partner for this region.
What can enterprises expect from Applicor and from LiveRoot in 2011?
In 2011, we have a few different business initiatives that will come to light. First, we're delivering a new version of our product. We call it the Cloud Suite 7. 3 things are going to advance our application for our user communities. First, we've created a new user interface built on the Microsoft Silverlight presentation layer. We have codenamed it TUX, T-U-X, which stands for the Transformational User Experience. It moves user interfaces or applications in general away from a very prescriptive or rigid interface to a much more flexible arrangement where users can work on multiple tasks simultaneously, and frankly work in a manner that's more in line with how they actually work. A second element of our Cloud Suite 7 is going to be a new business process designer, where we're providing workflow automation tools to end users so they can identify, automate their business processes in a very graphical environment. And thirdly, we're adding an upgraded business intelligence component, what is often called data warehousing with OLAP or online analytical processing, basically empowering our knowledge workers and our management team at our clients with more information, more timely information, so that they can make better decisions.